This is my little sister Lucy's newest RC car. And she's going to be driving it. Let's go! The driver is my sister Lucy, driving Sparkle Smash! Go! It'll break a bunch. Oh, is she gonna do it? I think she might do it. Didn't crash into it hard enough. Oh yeah!